Nestled in the hills of Sicily, the Targa Florio is one of the world's oldest endurance road races. Since 1906, drivers have pushed through a legendary course of 1,000+ turns, winding past medieval towns and sunlit valleys. Today, the spirit remains. Grit, speed, and an unwavering love for rallying history. Welcome to the Targa Florio. On the oldest road race in the world, preparation begins long before the cars take to the course. In the heart of Sicily, teams arrive with decades of experience, readying machines that carry history. Cool.
Think what you're gonna do. It's catching up to you.
Carefully, cars are eased from trailers, every move deliberate, preserving every detail. The unloading marks the quiet prelude for one of racing's most storied expeditions. Welcome to the Targa Florio.
And you're welcome too. Killed it.
Worlds apart from yesteryear circuits, today's parade gathers journalists, fans, and teams to honor the race that has survived the passage of time. Racers gathered by Teatro Massimo to celebrate and kick off Targa Florio 2025. This Targa Florio is a history in motion, a living testament to Italian engineering, local pride, and speed's timeless dialogue with the road.
You better think where you're gonna go.
We step into the spotlight in car number 207, a 1972 Fiat 132 with Ismail in the driver's seat and Fred navigating and telling him what to do. Banners snap, cameras blaze, and the crowd erupts in cheer and applause. I slip in the back of the 1972 Fiat, and the road becomes a glittering red carpet, and I get to experience the podium introduction.
Ismail Tamaz e Eric Saidi, vengono dall'Egitto, anche lui per la Targa Florio.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, and you?
Excellent.
Okay.
Very well, thanks.
You was living with Targa Florio myth.
It's fantastic. I hope it carries on until the last day.
Is your first time?
Second time.
Second time?
Yep.
Ah, ok, congratulations.
Thank you.
È la seconda volta che vengono qua. Abbiamo una Giulia,
Julia. Halfback Julia.
Giorgio Cusato e Andrea.
Today is race day on the historic Sicilian circuit. Today is the day that Car 207 and the rest parade through stunning mountain scenery and cheering Sicilian villagers like others before them since 1906. Then, not even half a mile from the start, 207 hiccups and politely breaks down. Because obviously a flawless start is boring, right? The team quickly whisked their tools out, and quicker than a shake of a lamb's tail, we're back on the road. For now.
cause it's coming closer, it's catching up to you. It's catching up to you.
Born in 1906, the Targa Florio is the brainchild of the organizer Vincenzo Florio, who created a challenging road race on public mountain roads around Palermo, pitting drivers against treacherous curves, heat, and sheer altitude. And in today's case, the rain. Over the decades, the route would run through Sicily's Madonna Mountains, evolving from a tight town course to a longer, more demanding circuit that showcased innovation in automotive engineering. Originally, the Targa Florio was a single-day endurance test. Then it grew into a grueling test of machine and man, attracting the era's greatest racing legends.
Don't see nothing. Keep walking on, cause it's hell that's coming. It's hell that's coming. You better run, you better run, you better run, cause it's coming closer.
Though the modern format changed and the event paused multiple times, the Targa Florio spirit endures in today's rally and sports cars tradition, symbolizing grit, ingenuity, and the romance of classic racing. Come here. Grazie, thank you so much. Alfa Romeo, let's show that. Here we go.
High above Sicily, the Madonni and Erice mountains cradle the Targa Florio. Narrow lanes thread through pine shadows as engines rise and fall, their torque etched into stone. Brakes scream, tires screech, and drivers ride the edge where legends meet the mountain. This is endurance in its purest form, precision, courage, and a road that time long forgot.
The Targa Florio, a race, a legend born on the narrow roads of Sicily. Today, a path carved by speed, history, and challenge, where every corner tests man and machine alike.
You better think where you're gonna go. Think what you're gonna do.
From sunless straights to chicanes of stone and faith, precision matters more than horsepower. The roar of engines echoes through Sicilian valleys as drivers commit to the moment.
As the finish draws near, the Targa Florio reveals a deeper prize than speed, a living bond between race and region. For a century, Sicilian towns have opened their doors to strangers, turning quiet streets into stages for courage and curiosity. The race pushed engineers towards daring innovation, spurred safety strides, and seeded a global endurance spirit. Beyond the mountains, the Targa Florio's legacy lives in the memory, in inspired minds, and a culture that keeps racing alive for generations to come.
Ciao. I'm with 207.
You better think where you're gonna go. Think what you're gonna do. You better run, 'cause it's coming closer. It's catching
As the sun settles, the finish line.
The tail.
Yeah, it's true. I had no, but I added like my own words in there. It's called. Yeah, it's true. You're right. You're right. All right. Ready? Go.
As
The sun settles, the finish tells the tale. Another chapter in a timeless race. That was crap. Get out of my shot. Let me show you how pros do it.
And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, smash a like, turn on the notification bell, and tell everybody you know about this video and share it with everyone you've ever met. A special thanks goes out to my buddy Nader Hamid, who let me use his music. Please go check him out on Spotify. The man is extremely talented. And I'll see you on the next Away We Go!